Hey there, money mavens. Today we are looking at the world of budgeting and exploring how to create a solid financial plan that sets you up for success. And I am super excited to guide you through this essential aspect of personal finance. Budgeting is like the roadmap to your financial journey. It helps you allocate your income effectively, prioritize your spending, and achieve your financial goals. But where do you start? Well, it all begins with understanding your income and expenses. As we discussed in our previous video, your income is the money you earn, while your expenses are the money you spend. By knowing how much money is coming in and going out each month, you can create a budget that reflects your financial reality. Now let's dive into creating your budget. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, freelance earnings, rental income, and any other source of money you receive regularly. Next, as the number two, list out all your expenses, dividing them into fixed and variable categories, as we discussed in our previous video. Fixed expenses are those that stay consistent month after month, and the variable expenses are on the other hand, fluctuates from month to month. We already discussed that. Once you have listed all your income and expenses, it is time to do the mathematics. Calculate your total income and expenses, then subtract your expenses from your income to determine your discretionary income. In other words, the amount left over after covering your essentials. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. I want you to get to understand that. It is about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions. A budget gives you control over your money. It helps you avoid overspending and allows you to prioritize your financial goals, whether it is paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or investing for the future. There are many tools and apps available to help you create and track your budget, from simple spreadsheets and dedicated budgeting apps that synchronize with your bank accounts. You got to find a method that works best for you and stick with it. Consistency is key to budgeting success. So to sum it up, budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. By creating a budget that reflects your income, expenses, and your financial goals, you can take control of your finances and pave the way to a brighter future. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this video. Stay connected for more tips and strategies, finance and money management. Until next time, happy budgeting.